They say night shifts are lonely. But in an old factory where the machines never sleep, sometimes you're not alone. Sometimes you're being watched from the inside. My name is Jared, and last winter I got a temp night job at an old snack factory that produced chips, chocolate bars, and packaged sweets. The place had been running since the 1960s and smelled like burnt oil, sugar, and damp metal. Most of the building was falling apart, but the machines kept churning. I worked the graveyard shift, 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Alone, just me and the hum of the machines. It was peaceful at first. There was a break room with a vending machine near the stairwell. It was ancient but still worked. It was my only company at night. Around 2:47 a.m. each night, I'd grab a snack and go back to the main floor. But then, things started changing. One night, while walking past the break room, I heard a whisper. Soft, childlike. Help me. I stopped. Listened. Silence. I peeked into the break room, empty. The vending machine light was flickering. I chalked it up to stress or sleep deprivation. But the next night, I heard it again. I'm stuck behind the snacks. Please, help me. This time, I froze. My skin crawled. I walked in slowly. The vending machine buzzed. And then, one of the snack slots lit up, even though no one touched it. Slaughter 7. Inside was a chocolate bar I hadn't seen since childhood. Choco Dreams. It was discontinued years ago. I took it out. It was cold, ice cold, and covered in dust. I flipped it over. Expiration date, November 1997. The next day, I asked the day supervisor, Mike, about the vending machine. He looked uncomfortable. You found a Choco Dreams bar? That's not possible. He Saturday me down and told me something the company buried years ago. Back in 1997, a worker named George brought his 6-year-old son, Evan, to the night shift during a snowstorm. Evan went missing. Security footage showed him entering the break room, but never coming out. They searched for days. The vending machine had been opened and inspected. Nothing was found, except Evan's backpack, stuffed behind Slaughter 7. They thought he'd been kidnapped, but no one was ever caught. After that, employees refused to work night shifts. Accidents increased. People said they heard laughter, scratching, whispers from the machine. One woman quit after seeing a small face in the glass. Eventually, they removed the footage and shut everyone up. Don't feed the machine, Mike whispered. It remembers. I had to know if it was real. That night, I set up my phone and filmed the machine from across the room. At 2:47 a.m., the lights flickered. My breath turned cold. The vending machine glowed. Slaughter 7 lit up. And so did the screen on the machine, which was supposed to be broken. It showed, "Thank you for your snack. One more soul to go." Suddenly, the glass cracked slightly from the inside. My phone captured it all, including the faint sound of a child crying. When I played the video back, I saw something horrifying. For 2 seconds, the camera caught the face of a child, pale, wide-eyed, mouth open in a silent scream, staring out from behind the snacks. I tried to quit. They offered double pay. That final night, I brought a bag of chips, a juice box, and a toy robot, the kind a kid might like. I placed them in front of the vending machine. At exactly 2:47 a.m., the light inside turned green. The machine hissed and groaned, as if alive. Then, It made a sound I will never forget. The sound of someone chewing from the inside. The glass fogged up. A child's handprint appeared. And then I heard it. Thank you, Jared. I'm not hungry anymore. The lights exploded. My phone turned off. And when I looked again, the vending machine was completely empty. Slaughter 7? Gone. It was sealed shut, like it never existed. What happened to Even? Did his soul feed the machine? Or did the machine create something far worse? Subscribe to English Speaking Tree for more terrifying stories that improve your English while giving you nightmares. Because sometimes the scariest voices are the ones asking for help.